Okay. Do you like the water fountain? Where? Look at the water fountain. It's so cool.
If I was wearing my bathing suit right now, I could use slip in there and go.
Yeah, that would be pretty fun to play in. This is a cool hotel. You want to come stay at this hotel one day?
Yeah, I want to come.
Where do you want to go? We gotta go find Daddy. Woo! Where are you going? Where are we going? We gotta stay close to Daddy. Which way? This way? What's over here? We gotta stay close. Where?
She wanted to see you. So.
Absolutely. We'll just take a quick peek around. Pardon? Okay, so we gotta stay close to Dad so he can call us back, okay? Their flight landed. So we gotta stay close because they're gonna come out soon.
How do you know?
Because Rachel just said, that's what Dad said.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Can I go see Dad then?
Yeah, go ahead, sweetie.
So is Dad right now seeing them?
Where are we going?
Here, let's go back and see Daddy. Here, can I go back?
We're gonna head back. We'll walk down this way. Oh, Daddy said come back.
Oh, Daddy.
Let's go. Daddy said come back. He sent me a message. Let's go back. Where's Malik? Lots of toys there. Do you know where Malik went? Alex, did Malik go back? No, we gotta go back, sweetie. We gotta go. Daddy wants us because everybody landed. We're gonna go meet them now. Come on, let's go. That's cool. We gotta go back, sweetie. Come on. We gotta go see Daddy. Come on, let's go.